Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Sit down, please. Who absent today?
Armin is absent. He is here.
Good. Come to me, please. Make a circle. Do like this. You use to each other. Do like this. Make a circle. Bir-birimizga buzluğumuzga sertlikligimizga. Yes?
Yes.
Good. Good luck.
I wish you happiness. I wish you in this lesson good activity.
I wish you with property.
I wish you in more information. Be kind. A good understanding of the topic.
Do not be sad.
I wish happiness. Be kind.
Easy work.
Successful one.
Always smile.
Oh yes. Good. Sit down, please. Let's start. I want you to watch the videos and we will discuss what did we understand. Let's start. Watch video.
Managing online security is the same as protecting our homes. After all, we don't tend to leave our doors wide open for just anyone to walk in uninvited. By not being secure, we run the risk of losing things that are valuable to us, such as money or sensitive information. This same thinking should be applied to how we use the internet. The internet brings huge opportunities and benefits for everyone who uses it, but it also brings risks. Risk of attack, risk of unauthorized access, and risk of unintended change or destruction, which is why in the digital age we need cybersecurity to protect ourselves. A huge majority of businesses and organizations face such threats every day, especially those with large IT systems. These attacks can happen in different ways. They can be unauthorized access to computers, laptops, tablets and mobiles, remote attacks on IT systems or websites, attacks to information held in third-party systems, such as company bank accounts, and gaining access to information through staff. For many, cybersecurity is an everyday battle, one that needs constant IT support, because all it takes is just one attack to cause serious damage. Safety tip. Keep up to date on the latest threats, malware and hacking techniques to protect yourself from those incoming attacks. The Tech Partnership. For more information, go to thetechpartnership.com.
What can you say about this video?
In my opinion, this video is about cybersecurity internet.
What does?
In my opinion, this video is about more information and virus and more popularization.
Good. Sit down. The theme of our lesson is cyber security. You will identify possible how to protect computer against cyber crimes. The exercise is Quizlet. Threat. Good.
Crime. To intact.
To intact.
To intact.
To intact.
To spread.
To spread.
To spread.
To spread.
rules,
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 rules. 7.
spend,
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 spend, spend.
Good jobs into two groups, second groups, first groups. Let's do the exercise with method Garcia. Second groups. Third groups. Method Garcia. Fishing kata, computer, skills, good.
Cyber security. True.
Good jobs,
To steal.
good. Good jobs.
To inject.
Good jobs, good jobs. Let's start close group. Akmaral.
Spam. True. Computer virüs kontrol ziyan getirir. Delete your files, control programs, allow someone to control your computer. It is true.
Good jobs.
Crime. Commons. True. Code.
Good.
Kiber konusunun en çok taranan türleri. Those using abstract computer virus. It is true.
Good
Kiber
jobs.
solvstek. Kiber security. True. To steal. To infect. That's all.
Good jobs, good jobs. Let's do the exercise with learning arts. 3. Good. Rules. Good. To spring. To spring taratu. To commit. To commit. That's all. Give to each other your feedback.
It was interesting for me playing learning art. It was important for me cybersecurity system. It was needs more books.
Good. Next. Akmara.
It was interesting for me working in the groups. It was important topic cyber city. It was needs more terminology.
Good. I good.
It
Feedback.
was interesting for me to play a game. It was interesting. It was important in work. It was needs for more terminology.
Good. Good.
It was interesting for me work in a group. It was important play in a learning app. It was needs more information.
Good. Good. The rest